Hey guys, so it snowed out last night. Shocker. So I am going to show you guys around my house because there's a lot of snow. There's like 2 or 3 feet of snow on the ground right now, and I feel like maybe you guys would like to see it. I know for those of you who don't live in Canada, have never seen extreme snow. Anyways, so that right there, that's all snow. And usually there's a lot of grass right there. But that's about 2 feet of snow right there. And then that's about 6 feet high. So as you can tell, we've had a lot of snow. And right here, there is usually a set of stairs going up. As you can tell, there's a little bit of space in between there for some people to walk, but right now is completely snow. So that's fun. 2 or 3 feet of snow on our deck right now. Sorry, I was squinting. It's really cold. Tractor blew us out. As you can tell, I'm about 5'10", and the snowbank is taller than I am. So that's fun. Snow. Can't even open that right now because there's so much of it. Oh. See? That ain't budging. No. Nothing. Right now, that is about, it's almost to my hip. But they're taller than our planters. So that are about the same height actually. So that's fun. Just about every Wednesday last year, from January to about March, we had a snowstorm. And it was ridiculous. There's so much snow. And I figured that, since we had a bunch last year, that it would be really mild this year. But as you can tell, no, it's been really cold. You like that? Hey guys, so I'm back inside now. I am slowly warming up. But yeah, that's basically what a typical Canadian snowstorm aftermath looks like. As you can tell, I did not ride any polar bears, although I do have a dog that resembled one. No moose, nothing like that. Just a normal car, normal house, no igloos. On my last video, when we went to Peggy's Cove, it was very cold, but it is normally very cold on the East Coast by the water in the fall. It is very cold. I would suggest that you go there if you're ever in Nova Scotia, or if you live in Nova Scotia and you've been there. Isn't it beautiful? But if you are traveling here, go. It is so beautiful. I can't say enough good things about the people, the small town vibe. It's so nice. In the meantime, hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you next week.